Aloha. This is part 2 to heavy duty lacquer paint correction. I have wet block sanded this spoiler using 400 to start and ending with 1200. The front is now ready to be buffed and polished. The back has been sanded with 1200. It's ready to be polished. I built this jig out of a 2x4 and basically used a through bolt into the two center stands to hold it up. Let me give you a closer view. This is the section that was really bad that I fixed. And you can see the surface on the front is really smooth. It's all sanded to 1200. This just goes to show you that even professional painters can have problems. First, I used the wrong clear, dried too fast. Second, I didn't use fisheye additive. And third, when I noticed that the paint was going on dry, I tried using heavy coats to bury it. That just magnified the problems, and that's how we got here. Anyways, all the sanding is finally done. Once it's buffed, I will put another video out with the shiny surface, hopefully this time. Okay, aloha and stay safe.